Ever since I started 3D printing, I've always had issues with overhangs, even very slight overhangs that shouldn't be a problem. I've realized that this is a cooling issue. The stock fan that comes with my Anycubic Cobra just isn't moving enough air to cool down the print and only focuses on one side of the print. I finally decided to upgrade to a 5015 fan, which claims to move 2.5 times more air. After printing a new fan duct, I reprinted the exact same models and got a much better result. I should have upgraded sooner. Make sure to subscribe to follow along with my 3D printing journey.